everybody. I've just been to a farm shop and I've just bought something that I'll show you later. I'm on my way to a spot to do a day camp and I'm going to be cooking, and then it'll go over to one of my videos, and which is a beautiful walk that I did in a beautiful woodland, ancient woodland, and then I'll come back and you'll see me cooking my lunch. So back in a minute, bye for now. Well, hi everybody. From the farm shop I bought myself a coffee and walnut cake. Yummy. Just what I needed, because I tried to find the spot that I wanted to go to down there, and the road is completely flooded. So I thought I'd take you down to show you the flood, and I've locked my car up and everything. Well everybody, this is the flood, and a car has just gone flew through the flood on the road, and it looks a bit deeper than what the guy on the bike was saying. So I'm actually walking now, to see the flood. And I actually had to reverse all the way up there. Gosh, look at this. I might have been alright actually. It doesn't look too bad, does it? Just here it's a bit deeper. Oh gosh, and here it's even deeper. And just keep checking there's no cars coming. Yeah, I think I did the right thing and reversed. Yeah. Yeah, it's right up over the gate. Yeah. Hello everybody. I'm glad I did reverse and turn around and go back to where I was. It was quite flooded, and I can see my car because I can see the lights from the sun on my window over there. How cool is that? I'm looking because I don't want to get run over because cars are going through this. But my car's quite low, so I daren't risk it. If I was in my 4x4, yes. Of course I haven't got that anymore. So I'll show you my light. There you can see my car. Well, I hope you can. I can. There's my car. The sun is shining on the window. How cool is that? I know that you can probably hear cars going down there, but they're a bit taller off the ground than me. So I don't want to risk it. Two cyclists went by and they said, oh yeah, you'll be fine. But I'm not risking it. It's not worth it. And especially if my car is overheating. I have no idea what's wrong because I don't know anything about electrics. I'm watching all the birds. There's so many birds around here, it's beautiful. Because we've got sunshine. It's so nice to have sunshine and blue sky. It's lovely. So yeah, let me carry on eating this. I need it. Oh gosh. I'm not having much luck. No, I am having much luck. I'm very lucky. Universe, I'm very lucky, son. So I found this spot on the way back. This has been my mini trip to the Peak District, and I haven't filmed an awful lot of filming at the campsite where I'm at, or my tent, or the car on this one, Janet Outdoors. Just about my adventure where I went to see the stepping stones on a very busy day. Wow, this is amazing. I've just got to watch where I'm going. Because it's a bit bumpy. So I'm just going to get on here. Oh gosh, someone's just left their dog to do a poo and left it and hasn't picked it up. Have a look at the poo. There's a poo. They've just left it. Why can't they pick it up and take it away with them? Gosh, there's kids about. And this is a beauty spot. Cool, that'd be great to camp on there. Wow. Well everybody, I'm going to try and find the stepping stones. This place is packed with people. Packed. I had to go to the overflow car park, so it's going to be a bit tricky video. I might not video me, I might just video the scenery, because it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I would go for a paddle, but I better not. Back in a minute, bye for now. It's beautiful, so pretty. And there's a mummy and daddy duck just landed. I think the mummy duck's waiting for the daddy duck to get out the water over there. Oh no, here's the daddy duck. Hello daddy duck. I don't know if they've got any babies. The mummy duck's just got in and the daddy duck's just got out. So she's just got back in, mate. Ah, bless you. How cute. This is there, and up this cliffside there's two ducks. To keep away from the people so they can nest. They've actually nested on. I haven't got my glasses, so I'm hoping that you can see what I can see. Maybe it's a bit further up. Oh no, there it is. I think that's it. So the mummy duck's somewhere around there as well. Amazing. They've got to go somewhere. Bless them. Back in a minute. Bye for now. There's a dog in the water, enjoying himself over there. Crikey. That lady's sitting at the bottom of there. She's brave. That could just fall down again, couldn't it? Oh, it's just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Just help to show you this dog. Oh, it's just going down, trying to get over these rocks and walk along here. It's quite tricky because I'm the other side to the proper path where everybody is. I thought I'd come a different way. So, yeah. Back in a minute. Bye for now. Ah, they're coming to say hello. Two daddy ducks there. And then Mummy and Daddy duck over there. Have I got you in focus? I think so. Wow everybody, the stepping stones are just there by the looks of it. People are going across the water, so I'm guessing it's there. Wow, I didn't have to walk far. I thought I had to walk miles. Wow. I might find somewhere to have my little picnic. So pretty. Back in a minute, bye for now. I'm in the way. Beautiful yellow flowers. I'm hoping, oh there's some blue flowers over there. Everybody, that's what I need to walk across to get to the stepping stones. So I actually have to cross stepping stones to get to the stepping stones. Back in a minute, bye for now. Well everybody, I'm not going to film going over the stepping stones, and I'm not going to leave my camera at the end and walk across and come back and get it, because there's too many people. So yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do this one, whether you'll just see me on one side and then the other side, I don't know. Anyway, back in a minute, bye for now. Well everybody, I made it very slippery, but I did it and now I'm here. Yay! And there's a lot of people, so I won't film the stones, but they're just right behind me. But yeah, that was a tricky one, walking along there. I put my camera and my tripod on in my rucksack, and I used my sticks to get over. That worked, it helped with sticks. Very difficult without sticks, I think. It would be. Back in a minute, bye for now. This is my picnic. So I'm eating it at the stepping stones, which is just over there. It's terrific, it's magnificent, absolutely beautiful. Blue sky. Yummy! The ducks have decided to come up the hill to see what food they can get from people. Gorgeous. I'm so glad I got the sticks. I used the sticks first when I went down. Oh, sticks are amazing. Definitely need sticks. They're so good. Even though they have it there, sticks are great. It's a really big invention. Anyway, I'm going to get back to the car. I'm going to look at my National Trust book. And I might go to the National Trust place that's 25 minutes walk. So I want to go now. Oh, there's a fish! Oh wow! Can you see that? Oh, it's a bit wobbly my camera. The fish is just there. See that rock? I don't know what sort of fish it is, but how gorgeous. It's quite big as well. Amazing. Back in a minute, bye for now. Well everybody, I'm going to go to here. I'm going to go to here. I'm going here. There's my finger. There we are. I'm going there. I need to follow those people so I know where to go. Back in a minute. Bye for now. Hello everybody. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. Above here there's loads of people and the stepping stones are just up here somewhere. That's where I've just been. Wow, there's so much of the Peak District to see. I need to come again, definitely. And over that way is where the National Trust is, and that's where I'm heading now. So back in a minute. Bye for now. Well everybody, if you can see the dots of people over there, I think the building, the National Trust building, I haven't got my glasses on, so I don't know if is somewhere there. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it, which is quite a way away, and it's nearly 2 o'clock already. So I've actually decided to drive, because then I can just go back to the campsite straight. And then this campsite might be closed by the time I finish there. So then I won't be able to get out of there. So I think I'm going to go back to the car park and drive to the National Trust. Even though the walk would be lovely, but 2 o'clock, by the time I get there, it'll be 2:30. Then, yeah, I don't know what time the cafe closes, so I really want to get a cup of tea. So I'm going to go back to the car, put it into my phone where I'm going, and then hopefully the car phone will take me there. So I'm back in a minute. Bye for now. I'm back from my day, and Saturday, very busy day. Car parks full. I managed to get to the stepping stones, which was great. Loved that. Beautiful. Very busy though. Be nice to go there when nobody else is there. But then I tried to get to the National Trust Ilham Park, and that was just so busy. I couldn't even park. Couldn't park. So I had to turn around and come back. And then I got lost. Totally lost. Totally lost. I think next time I need to pick a campsite that's more in the Peak District, then I might not get as lost, because I seem to get lost quite quick. And of course my memory card, having to go and buy one of those. Luckily Sainsbury's did have one. That's why you're here and I'm here. Yay! But beautiful. There's so much to see here. I need to come back again. A lot. It's an incredible place. Beautiful. The scenery is just gorgeous. I just happened to go on a very busy day. I have got lots lost though. My phone directions didn't really tell me the right way at some points, and things went wrong. My memory card ran out. My trousers, my beautiful trousers that are stretchy, that I love, that I do a lot of my walking in, when I sat down here, they actually split. Can you believe it? And couldn't believe that, so I've had to wear my jeans all the time. And yeah, so something good happened last night though. I ended up at a pub, and the pub landlord told me I was on the way to get fish and chips, and the pub landlord said to me that I can bring my fish and chips back to the pub and eat in the pub. I know it's a way of getting you to buy a drink, but they are lovely. The family is gorgeous at this pub, so I'll show you the video of that coming up. And it was really good fun, and I played music bingo. It was great with a load of people, and I made friends with 3 women. They were really nice, so bubbly, beautiful women. Hi you all. I can't remember exactly your names, so I do apologise. Well everybody, I've actually come across this really nice pub. It's amazing. It's just on the outskirts of the Peak District, and it's called the Yew Tree Inn, and there's a huge yew tree here. It's amazing, and the building looks really old. It's gorgeous, and the owner has a American, I think it's American car, a Jeep from the American War, whatever it was. But I'll show you that in a minute. And it's beautiful, and inside there's loads of bikes. Motorbikes, and you know, the old-fashioned big wheel bike. I'll go and show you in a minute. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing, beautiful pub. So if you're ever near Ashdown, near the Peak District, come to this pub. It's beautiful, absolutely amazing. I'll show you some more. I'll probably take photographs instead of videos because people don't. So back in a minute. Bye for now. Well everybody, I've come back to the pub and I've got my fish and chips from a fish and chip shop down the road, and the owner of the pub has let me come and eat my fish and chips in here. And how about this? I've got a disco going on. It's so cool. Back in a minute, bye for now. Okay everybody, I have a friend, I think the dog's name's Maud. And she's after my food. But I've already let her know that she's not my dog, so I'm not allowed to feed you. Sorry. Bless you.
Bingo!
Hello everybody.
What would you like to shout?
You treat.
I've joined a load of wonderful people to play music bingo. And these lovely ladies that it's amazing. I was invited by these beautiful ladies to join them in the musical bingo, and the gentleman that owns the pub is there, and he's running the competition.
It's only just a matter of moments now. Dancing.
I ask in all honesty.
Shut up!
What will I be?
No, it's lovely.
That's enough.
Are you the one who was...
Oh!
But it's about 7 o'clock this morning and on Sunday, so I'm just about to pack up before it gets wet, because apparently it's meant to rain, and drive home. So yeah, it's and the day before I got so lost, my sat nav was telling me all different directions, so my plan for yesterday, I never got to where I wanted to go. I got completely lost and it took me to a farm shop, so I ended up going to the farm shop instead. But yeah, it's been good. So roll on the next time that I come to the Peak District. It's just amazing. I love it. And everybody's so friendly. It's really, really nice. So I'm on the outskirts of the Peak District here in a campsite. But next time I want to try and be in the Peak District a bit further in, and hopefully if I can find a campsite. I don't know a lot about the Peak District because I think this is just the first time I've been here, but it's fabulous. So I'm now going to make myself a cup of coffee and have my last croissant, and I brought a banana as well to give me energy, and pack everything up and go. So yeah, it's been really nice, and I want to come back already before I leave. Anyway, back in a minute. Bye for now everybody. Oh yeah, thank you very much for watching this all the way through, and subscribing, liking and commenting, and yeah, thank you for just being there. It's great. So see you soon. Bye. Oh, and leave no trace. I'm in a campsite, you can't do anything else. Bye. Well, hi everybody. This is a little introduction to the next 2 or 3 videos. So I've come out on a day camp today, and when I stopped at the farm shop to pick up some cake, my engine was overheating, so I don't know how long it's going to take me to get it fixed. So the next few videos will just be a little bit of video of my car, and then one of the trips that I went on, or camping that I went on in my Freelander that I haven't got now. And so at least I can still be giving you videos on this channel, Janet Outdoors Adventures, until I get my car sorted out. So this will be number 1.